Hello everyone, this is Sulekhika and today I am back with a new video with how to use laminar airflow. As you can see, this is a laminar airflow and this is the panel of the keys. This is the switch on and off button and this is the light button from which you can turn on and turn off lights. This is the blower which you have to start before using it, and this option is for UV light. We before starting the work give UV for 1 to 2 minutes so that any of the RNA or DNA and the other type of genetic materials must be removed by the UV light. We do not turn it on while using the laminar airflow. So turn it off, starting the blower and the light. As you can see, this is the working area of the laminar airflow, in which you can see these are the pipettes. These pipettes are of 10 microliter, 1 ml, 200 microliter and 100 microliters. And this is a microcentrifuge. This is a vortex. This is the stand for the Eppendorf. Behind that, in the beaker, is the hypo solution for discarding the materials like the tips of the pipettes and other used materials. These are the tip boxes. This is a tissue paper roll and this is the alcohol, absolute alcohol. So now before using it, we turn on the UV light for 1 minute or so, and then we turn it off. Then we start the blower, we start the light, and this is the button for opening the shutter. By pressing it down, the shutter goes up. By pressing it upwards, it goes down. It could be different in your laminar airflow. Now, before using it, we also clean the laminar or the working area with the alcohol. So, we use a tissue paper roll. And the absolute alcohol. Please make yourself comfortable, as I am making a video. I am not able to sit and shoot on the same time. So I used to clean this glass also before start working, as other than me, some other people also work here. So to make it sure that no viruses are being attached to the glass, and then I used to clean the stage of the laminar airflow where I have to start my work. And obviously please do wear gloves before start working. I am not wearing gloves because I just finished my work, and before starting my work I cleaned it all. I gave the UV after finishing my work and also when starting the work. So this is all about the laminar airflow. In here we are performing the making of the master mix for the COVID testing. Now I just turned off the lights, the blowers, and now the on button. And if you use the area and you do some work, you can give UV for a while, and please feel free to comment in the box if you need anything else to know about it. This was a little introduction on how to use for a laminar airflow. Thank you.